Now we take up questions based on divisibility of numbers. Divisibility of numbers means say divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisibility by 4, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 6. 7 generally is not considered, but still we can have questions based on divisibility by 5. Then divisibility by 8, 9, 11. In this way we can do the questions based on divisibility of numbers. So we should understand what is the basic test of divisibility. For example, if it is to be divisible by 2, the number should end with an even number. If a number ends with an even number, it divides by, it is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3, that means what? Basically we need to do it, the sum of the digits should be a multiple of 3. In that case, it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3. Similarly, divisibility by 4, the last two digits, the last two digits must be divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. In that way, we can have divisibility of numbers. Based on divisibility of numbers, we will be solving questions now. So by default, whenever you get question based on divisibility of numbers, we take into consideration that repetition of digits is not allowed unless otherwise specified in the question. In general, whenever we do questions based on divisibility of numbers, we consider that repetition of digits is not allowed. If the question, if the requirement of the question is divisibility of numbers to be allowed, then it will be very clearly specified in the question. So by default, we'll take repetition not allowed while solving questions based on divisibility of numbers. We take up a question. Say, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such that the numbers are divisible by, say, 3. Divisible by 3. Now here, I want the numbers to be divisible by 3 and I want 5-digit numbers. What is the test for divisibility by 3? The sum of the digits should be a multiple of 3. The sum of the digits should be a multiple of 3. I just try to see and add the numbers. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. The sum of the digits is a multiple of 5. Therefore, any 5-digit number which I form with this will be divisible by 3. So I want how many 5-digit numbers can be formed. Basically, that's the question. So therefore, divisibility by 3 is automatically taken care of because of the numbers which are given to us. So any of the 5, any of the 4, any of the 3, any of the 2, any of the 1. So it will be nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is going to be 120. So how many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Divisible by 3 means repetition not allowed is not mentioned in the question, but we take it for default for these kind of questions. We go to the next question.